think I'm on. And the first fish of the day is a sand bass. I would say 12 to 13 inches. To 13. Laters. Look at this. I've never seen so many birds. Look at these. All these birds. I think they're having a party. And I wasn't invited. I'm crashing it. Oh, great. You know what? I just realized they're gonna bomb the. Oh man. Oh, dude. They're gonna bomb the crap out of me. Like, literally, bomb the crap out of me. Probably not a very smart idea. Well, the reason why I'm here is because I saw a lot of them were dive bombing earlier. By the time I got here, they're all chilling. They're probably like, hey, simmer down. There's a kayaker. We don't want him to know our secrets around here. Hey, where y'all going? I just barely got here. Oh, they're all belling. That's like having a party, and all of a sudden, the unwanted kid in school shows up. Everybody bells. Hey, get back here! Took me a while to get out here. Swells are scary. Very scary. Look at this. I get here and they're all bell. Some people's kids. Anyway, let's look for anything that's foaming. Not foaming of the mouth, but just foaming. Oh geez, I see some white tips over there. That's not good. Or is that foaming? Is that boiling over there? Oh. Nope, not boiling. Should pick up some binoculars.